Hello everyone, this is Gabriel.
Hey.
We are going to try to reshuffle the cube and hold up the cube, Gabriel, and let him try to, what do you call that, Gabriel? Solve the cube back to its original position. Gabriel, are you ready for this test? Okay, so now you're going to hold the camera.
I got the timer.
And then we will also have a timer to time him how long does it take, okay? He's been practicing this. Okay, so right now, I'm going to mess up the cube, okay?
Ready?
Okay, it looks pretty messed up, right? Okay.
I see.
Okay.
I need to see first. I need to see.
Okay, why don't you examine it? Okay, let's do the timer. You hit the
Give
timer.
me a sec. Give me a sec. Okay.
Okay, timer.
3.
2, 1, go. Looks like he's got the whites on one side. Looks like it's coming together.
Yeah.
I can see the yellows. Let's move closer into the Rubik's. Oh, he's got the yellows on one side. And 4 minutes and 32 seconds. Gabriel, hold up the Rubik's Cube. Let me just examine it. Alright, well done, Gabriel. How about a wave? I'm going to send this to Amma, okay?
Hello.
Hi everyone. Hi Gabriel, say hi.
Hello.
This is Gabriel. He's been practicing his Rubik's Cube. So we're going to try to let him solve this, but I will go ahead and
Shuffle it.
shuffle it,
Mix it. Scramble it.
scramble it for him. Okay, you can turn around, I can't see. Okay. Gabriel, I'm going to go ahead and shuffle it for you, okay?
Yep.
Okay, so
Ready? So.
I'm gonna give this back to Gabriel. Okay, he's gonna examine it. Tell me when you're ready, okay, Gabriel? Then I'll have a look at the time.
Okay.
Okay, hold it up. Are you ready,
Scramble.
Gabriel?
Yep.
Okay. Good luck to you.
3.
Hold on. Okay, here's the time.
3, 2, 1.
So Gabriel just started, and the clock has started ticking. 1 minute 23 seconds. Point 28. Hey, well done, Gabriel. Hold up your cube. Turn it around. Let me see. Okay, well done. Okay. Keep practicing.
Yeah.
Okay, smile.